In this demonstration, we're going to look at building an application using Force.com. And this is an example of a pass that enables applications to be built without coding. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to my Force.com portal. And from here, I'm going to go to Setup. And we begin by creating an object. Make a new custom object, and this is going to be an application that might be used as the basis of an expense tracking system. So I'm going to call this object expense, and plural of expense is expenses. And what I'm going to do here is just scroll down in the page a little bit, and we're going to say launch the new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object. Okay, and I can choose a tab style. I'll choose the bank tab style. And I won't hook this in with a custom home page link or anything. Okay, so what we'll do here is pretty much just take the defaults. We'll allow anybody to see this tab. And we're going to just include this tab in the custom application that we're going to build here. Great. Okay, we can now go ahead and add some fields into this object. Let's say we have a name here already, which is given as the default, but let's add a date. This will be the date that the expense occurred. And we'll go ahead and we will make it required, and we can put a default in there. Put the default of today, and we will let everybody see this field and make it read write, not read only. Okay, and we will add this field to the expense layout, and we'll say save and new. Okay, now we'll put in a just a text field. We'll call this a description, and let's make it up to 80 characters. And we will go ahead and make it required, and we'll have no default for that. So again, we'll make it visible to everyone and put it on that layout. A couple more here. We'll go up, let's just make a pick list, and we'll call this category, and let's make it okay, and this is going to be expense category. Okay, and we'll just go next and next and save and new. And finally, let's put in a currency. This is going to be amount, and let's make it 6.2. And we'll make it required, and we won't put in a default for that. So next and next. And I think that's it. Okay, we just review our choices here, and let's go ahead and create a new application. Make a new application called expense. We had a custom logo here, we could upload it, but I'm just going to take the default logo. Okay, let's put the application on the expenses tab, and let's make that the default landing tab. And we will make it visible for everyone. And let's just go ahead and say save. And from this drop down, I should now be able to see my expense tab. And here is where I can start entering my expenses. So I'll say let's enter a new expense, and this is going to be transportation, and it was $200. And I also had to have dinner, and that occurred yesterday. And I didn't eat at a very swanky place. I only spent $5. And we'll add one more here, hotel, which occurred on, say it occurred on the 26th. And that was $100. Okay, so obviously oversimplification, and you would be able to do a lot more with this development tool. If you really needed to, you could in fact write some custom code for the application, but the idea behind the productivity that you get with Force.com is that enabling that even non-programmers can be enabled to develop fairly sophisticated applications just using a point and click type interface.